So today I'm bringing to market this behind me here. Well, not so much the house, but more all of this that's behind me here. All of the land and the location that goes with this house on Aylmer Drive in Stanmore. Now, Aylmer Drive is notably one of the most prestigious roads in Stanmore, just off of Stanmore Hill itself. You are in a development here, private road, which has 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, gated security. The house itself was built by the current owners in the 1960s. And in my opinion, and probably in anybody's opinion that's looking at this property, this is absolutely the right opportunity to purchase this land in this location, knock the property down and create your own luxury dream home. So let me take you for a look around inside. So it's all about location, and you don't get a much better location than Aylmer Drive. But you've got this peacefulness, absolutely beautiful peacefulness as you're in this garden here. And let me just sort of pan around. And it's obviously a gorgeous, mature garden. And what I love about it is that you really do feel like you're just somewhere out in the middle of the country. So if you're a family in the market right now for an opportunity, because this is exactly what this property is, it's an opportunity to purchase something like this in this location, on this land, knock down the property, rebuild your own luxury family home and plan on living here for 20, 30, 40 years, forever, a proper forever location that you can build your forever home on, then please give me a call. Happy to show you around and we can take things from there. Thank you.